vehicle? Check out the 2021 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, power tailgate, rain sensing wipers. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.